Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Sentra transmission. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level, stable surface and properly supported with jack stands. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear. Next, you'll need to drain the old transmission fluid completely. This step is crucial for a clean and manageable removal process. Finally, disconnect all electrical connections and the shift linkage. Before diving in, gather your essential tools. A transmission jack is vital for safe removal and installation, along with an engine hoist to support the engine. You'll also need a range of wrenches and sockets. Begin by removing the battery, air intake system, and any other components that block access to the transmission. Remember to support the engine securely with the hoist before proceeding. Now, let's get to the removal. Carefully unbolt the torque converter from the flex plate, ensuring not to damage any components. Next, remove all the transmission mounting bolts and the cross member that supports it. With everything disconnected, slowly and steadily lower the transmission using your transmission jack. Take your time to avoid any sudden movements or drops. For installation, carefully align the new transmission with the engine and slowly raise it into place using the transmission jack. Reattach all mounting bolts, the cross member, and reconnect every electrical connector and the shift linkage. Finally, fill the transmission with the correct type and amount of new fluid. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Double-check all connections and fluid levels before starting the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.